Today I'm answering a question from our dear brother from Padel, who was asking how to use these stumps. Okay, after making the pencil strokes, you need to blend them using this very stump I'm using right now. If you don't have it, you can use an earbud or a brush, but I recommend this for the results. And the other thing I like about blending stumps, they are the best idea when maximum pressure is needed in blending. But when doing this, you have to control the pressure you apply on the stump so that you don't make everywhere very dark. When you do it consistent, you will start achieving the results of a realistic skin or a realistic eye. But you have to be patient with the process. To remind you, we first make the pencil strokes, then we blend them using the blending stump which I'm holding. As you see, that's how we make our skin realistic. And after you have applied this blending stump, you can introduce some charcoal powder or graphite powder and you blend using a brush to make the skin look soft. And to remind you, this is how the process goes. After making the pencil strokes, you have to hold your stump the way I'm holding it. Then you start blending the pencil strokes so that they disappear and we have the variation. That's the variation from light to darkness, which we call tone. Yes, you see as I'm doing it, you can also try it and it will work out, but you just have to be patient. If you still find difficulties in drawing, just comment where you find them. I will be making for you a full video of how to overcome those hardships. Every Friday I will be answering one question from my viewers. If you have found this video helpful, kindly subscribe, turn on the notification, and please give it a like as you wait for the next video. Can add your number at love and of course at to inspire.